This is the Bronx Pondless Waterfall. One of the main challenges was getting large boulders and machines into New York City. Second challenge to this project, I would really say, was working from the bottom of the house and backyard area up. We were in a skinny alleyway and we only had one way out, and that was when we were down here working. We started off by a small pondless, which is located underneath the covered porch. That pondless from down below looks like it's all connected into one when you stand down below on the lower patio.